Alright people, listen up. You know that feeling, right? You're stoked about your trip, tickets booked, itinerary set, then, bam! Packing anxiety hits you like a ton of bricks, staring at an overflowing suitcase wondering how you're gonna fit a week's worth of clothes into a space the size of a shoebox. Been there, done that, got the t-shirt. But hold up, I've got your back. Today, we're diving deep into the world of travel hacks with my top 3 packing essentials that are about to change your travel game forever. Trust me, you're gonna want to stick around for this. Traveling can be stressful, especially when packing feels like a puzzle. But what if I told you there's a way to pack more efficiently and keep everything organized? Today I'm reviewing 3 amazing travel products that will save space, keep your clothes organized, and make packing a breeze. Let's dive in. First up, we've got the Smart Saver vacuum bags. Now these aren't your grandma's space savers. These bad boys are like the Navy SEALs of packing. This 5-pack comes in different sizes from small to large, so you can handle anything from packing cubes to your grandma's quilt. And the best part? They're reusable. You can use them over and over again, trip after trip. Talk about saving the planet and your sanity. Now let's talk about the airtight seal. These bags are like Fort Knox for your clothes. No dust, no moisture, no funky smells, just pure compressed goodness. And forget about lugging around a bulky vacuum cleaner because these babies come with a travel hand pump. It's like having a mini compression chamber right in your suitcase. Speaking of compression, let me show you what I'm talking about. Check this out. A whole week's worth of clothes, jackets, the works, all going into this large bag. I'm talking jeans, sweaters, even my lucky Hawaiian shirt. Now watch this magic. Seal it up, grab the hand pump, and boom! We've gone from Mount Everest to a molehill in seconds. I'm telling you, it's like you're defying the laws of physics. This, my friends, is the power of vacuum technology. And the best part? No more sitting on your suitcase to get it to close. These Smart Saver vacuum bags are a lifesaver for long trips, especially if you're like me and love to overpack. Bulky jackets, winter gear, even extra blankets. They all shrink down to size with these bags. You could practically fit your entire apartment in your suitcase with these things. Alright, maybe not your entire apartment, but you get the idea. Next up, we're going head-to-head with the About Space vacuum bags. These guys are like the cooler, more compact cousin of the Smart Saver bags. They've got the same satisfying hand pump action and the trusty Ziploc seal, but with a few extra tricks up their sleeve. First off, the material. We're talking heavy-duty, rip-resistant stuff here. You could probably take these bags on a safari and they'd come back unscathed. And the compact design? Forget about it. These things practically fold themselves up and disappear when you're not using them. Talk about convenient. But what really sets these bags apart is their speed. If you're a frequent flyer or someone who's always on the go, these are your new best friend. Packing for a weekend trip, no problem, just toss your clothes in, seal it up, a few pumps of the hand pump, and you're good to go. It's like packing on autopilot. No fuss, no muss, just maximum efficiency. And for all you families out there, these bags are a game changer. Packing for kids is like trying to fit a puzzle into a shoebox, but with these About Space bags, you'll be conquering those suitcases like a pro. No more cramming, no more tears, just stress-free packing for the whole family. Chapter 3. Last but not least, we're bringing in the big guns of organization, the Patrice Travel Organizer packing cubes. These things are like Marie Kondo's dream come true. Say goodbye to chaotic suitcases and hello to perfectly organized bliss. Now these aren't your average packing cubes. We're talking sleek, stylish, and built for the modern traveler. The set comes with different sized cubes and even a toiletry bag, so you can compartmentalize every single item you pack. And trust me, once you go cubes, you never go back. Imagine this, you open your suitcase and instead of a jumbled mess, you see perfectly folded clothes, each item in its designated cube. Shoes, got a cube for that. Underwear and socks, separate cube. Toiletries, boom, another cube. It's like having a portable dresser in your suitcase. No more digging through your bag trying to find your toothbrush or that one sock that always seems to go missing. Everything has its place and you'll actually be able to find what you're looking for. And for all you multi-destination travelers out there, these cubes are a lifesaver. Packing for multiple cities or even countries can be a logistical nightmare, but with these cubes, you can pre-pack for each leg of your journey. Just grab the cube you need, toss it in your backpack, and you're good to go. No more unpacking and repacking your entire suitcase every time you move to a new location. Talk about a time saver. There you have it, folks. My top 3 must-have packing essentials for stress-free travel. The Smart Saver vacuum bags for maximum space saving, the About Space vacuum bags for speed and durability, and the Patrice packing cubes for ultimate organization. Trust me, these products are about to change the way you pack forever. No more dreading the packing process, no more overweight baggage fees, just smooth sailing from start to finish. Remember, packing doesn't have to be a chore. With the right tools and a little bit of organization, you can conquer any suitcase and travel like a pro. Now go forth and pack like you've never packed before. So there you have it, 3 must-have travel packing essentials. Smart Saver vacuum bags, About Space vacuum bags, and Patrice packing cubes. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a long vacation, these products will make your packing stress-free and super efficient. Check the links in the description to grab yours today.